Well guys, we accidentally crashed the LS, unfortunately. It's right behind me right here. Here's the extent of the damage. I hit a concrete retaining wall and took out the front driver's side of the bumper. Lost the fog light. Actually, covered the fog light, it's right here, and amazingly, the bulb is still intact. Got part of the fender liner. These are super expensive from Lexus, so I went ahead and bought a used one from eBay and absolutely curbed the crap out of this N-Kai wheel. Got one on order. So we're gonna drop this off at Maaco today. Got out to Bell Lexus. I went ahead and printed out the diagram for Maaco. I'm sure they have this in their program somewhere, but I ordered all the necessary fasteners. This is the diagram for the fender liner. There's that three-piece or three-way connector for the washer hose. I think everything I got here was about 50 bucks. Front lower grill that I'm missing on the bumper. And these are all the fasteners, all genuine OEM. I want to get it back to as close to stock as possible, even with the damage. Here's a retainer for the bumper. Alright, we're getting ready to leave, so I'll show you the rest of the damage. Got a couple of deeper scratches here. Got a pretty good sized one here on the driver's door. So we're probably just gonna repaint everything, so that's like the old damage. Just gotta get a quote, get her all painted up. Alright guys, we are now heading over to Maaco of Shoreline. They're the ones that are gonna repair the LS. You can hear the muffler delete and the resonator delete in the background. Sounds pretty good, a little droney at around 2,000 RPM, but overall pretty nice. Car still tracks great. I did the alignment already with Beeline Auto and Everett, so we are looking pretty good. We'll see you guys at Maaco. All right, we are in traffic right now on I-5 right now, heading over to Maaco.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, we dropped off the LS460 here at Maaco. They're gonna take care of everything, including like the clear coat that's failing right there. I have a crease right here. It's gonna look way better. Okay, moment of truth. Total cost after tax $28.19 and 98 cents. We can afford the 98 cents. I don't know how I'm gonna come up with the 28.
2 weeks later.
All right, guys, it's the day after Christmas. Got the day off, so we're gonna drop off the Boast lip. You can see it right behind me. It's gonna go on the rear of the LS460 that's getting repainted at Maaco right now. I'm gonna do the diffuser part black and the rest of it matching the factory paint. I'm about to jump on the freeway, so we'll catch you guys when we get there.
1 week later.
We're here at Maaco in Shoreline. They have the LS460 right behind me. So right now, they just put in the walled lip. You can see right there on the stock bumper. As you guys may or may not seen my post, I got into a little bit of a snafu up front here. Crashed into a retaining wall on a rainy day. So our good friends here at Maaco, they went ahead and gave me a killer deal on repainting the whole vehicle. It's definitely gonna need a detail. They're currently reassembling everything. So, that fitment though. Walmart AGM, have it on the tender. Here are all the door panels. This was a proper job. They removed everything, like the quarter glass and all my window visors and trim. So the roof was wrapped black before my little incident. We kept it a gloss black, give it some good contrast. They took off the rear walled spoiler as well, so that's also getting painted. There it is up there.
1 week later.
All right, so false alarm. It's not 100% ready yet. It's almost ready. There it is, sitting right behind me. Lips on. That's the front. And here's the rear lip. That's the Boast lip. She is dusty. Front grille hasn't been installed yet. Got the wrong grille with the wrong emblem, but we finally have the right one. So this one is the radar one, and then this is the old one that has a smaller emblem. This is a physically larger emblem, as you can see. Size comparison. So just a little snafu there. Not a big deal at all. Car is super dusty on the inside. It's definitely gonna need a detail. All the seats are super dusty. We're gonna be coming back and installing side skirt extensions on this vehicle. So I'm very excited. This curbed Enkai wheel is gonna get replaced. And then they're gonna reinstall the rear spoiler. And hopefully they'll reinstall my well visors. I can do it myself too, if needed. Pretty sick FJ. Here's my cheap little eBay diffuser that we're no longer gonna be using because we have the wall rear lip. And then I went ahead and got 2 brand new OEM Fog Lights here. This is the old one. And the reason why we did that is because this one tint is already fading, and then I destroyed the other one when we crashed. So I got 2 brand new ones. The LED bulbs right here. So I got bulbs to put in. And then here's the wiring harness for the parking sensors. And it looks like I got one of the engine trims right there.